Creating a YouTube channel can be an exciting journey, and with this step-by-step guide, we'll help you set up your channel in 2024. Remember, patience and consistency are key to success on this platform. Sign in to Google. First, visit youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, create a new Google account specifically for your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to Settings, Channel Settings, Create a new channel. Enter your desired channel name and click Create. Customize your channel. Upload a profile picture, preferably your brand logo, and a channel icon, a clear, high-quality photo of yourself. Write a brief, engaging channel description that highlights your content's focus and purpose. Don't forget to add relevant keywords to help users discover your channel. Design channel branding. Customize your channel art, which is the banner image across the top of your channel. This should be eye-catching and represent your brand. YouTube provides free templates and tools for designing channel art within their platform. Set up channel sections. Organize your content using playlists, series, and channel sections. This makes it easier for viewers to navigate your channel and find content they're interested in. Create your first video. Plan your first video, script it, and record using good quality equipment. Edit your video using free or paid software. Optimize it with relevant titles, tags, and descriptions, and upload it to your channel. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, join relevant communities, and collaborate with other content creators to increase your visibility. Consistently engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Monitor channel performance. Regularly analyze your channel's performance using YouTube Studio or third-party analytics tools. This helps you understand what content resonates with your audience and what needs improvement. Stay consistent and grow. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Regularly upload high-quality videos that align with your channel's niche and goals. Engage with your audience and continue learning about the platform to grow your channel over time. Monetize your channel. Optional. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months, you can apply for YouTube's partner program, YPP, to monetize your content through ads and other revenue streams. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Stay committed, learn from your experiences, and enjoy the process of sharing your content with the world.